What's up, guys? My name is Hunter. I am subbing for Reed today. He was abducted by aliens. We know each other through work. And yeah. So we're buddies. Just regular buddies. I'm a little bit shy of 1 month on T. I apologize for my dear Tay room. It is what it is. I just is messy. This week's topic is shaving. Which, what is there really to say about shaving? Like, there's some things, I guess, but like, really? Anyways, we're gonna talk about shaving. I'm gonna tell you what I do, what I use, how I do it, all that fun stuff. And maybe it'll work for some of you who are having problems or curiosities about shaving. Maybe it won't. Whatever. Hopefully it'll help somebody. So, ow. I don't really have a lot of facial hair. I do have some. I just shaved yesterday, actually, which I did have a sweet little stash going on. Well, I thought it was a sweet little stash. It was a little stash, though. I had a stash. And I do have some like dark black hairs growing in down here. It's starting to creep up my face a little, which is really cool. I have a ton of peach fuzz over here, and I always have. So I've been shaving for a little bit. Now what I use, and I have tried a lot of different options. This one works best for me. I had a lot of problems with like skin irritation, razor burn, all that fun stuff. Like for a week after, it would just be killing me. And what I'm using right now is working great. Nothing's worked better so far. So whether or not you think this is a good option is up to you. It works for me. Maybe it'll work for someone else. I use the Gillette Fusion Pro Glide razor. Has this nifty little like top tiny little razor for like right up here and like around the mouth. It's like, say you wanted to shave my sweet little unibrow, you could. So basically, oh, forgot about this. I also use the Gillette Fusion Hydrogel Ultra Sensitive as far as shaving gel goes, and it works for me really well. Like I said, no razor burn, no nothing, no irritation at all, which is wonderful. I did notice I was starting to grow in some nice little black hairs down here, so I'm trying to grow that out, see what I can get out of that. So I'm not going to shave for you guys. I shaved yesterday. That's plenty of shaving. I do like to shave once every 3 to 4 days. That seems to be about good for me. I start to grow back my little stubbly peach fuzz, which is not stubbly at all. It's like gentle, sweet baby hair, but I like to prevent it stubbly. And what I do is I try to shower after getting... I try to shave after getting out of the shower or after washing my face so that my skin is nice and moist and my pores are open and ready to receive the shave. So, you want to go against the grain, typically. I don't know. I think that's what you want to do. Like, that's what I've been doing. Go against the grain, and I go like literally all the way from back here up because I've got like tons of hair back here for some reason. It's a weird spot, but I've got tons of hair right here. I grow like a mammoth in the weirdest of places. Sorry guys, I'm a little sleepy. And what I do is I cover my face wherever I want to shave. Before I was just like doing my bottom part. my bottom part, along my chin is what I meant, because I was growing up my sweet little stash, and I just use the shaving cream as a guideline of where I have gone, because I find that if I don't, I miss a lot of spots, and it's very obvious. And I don't really know what else to say about shaving, to be honest. There's not a ton to say about shaving. Did I tell you how expensive these are? These are expensive. These aren't cheap. These little razor heads. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Happy to meet you guys. Again, my name is Hunter. It was really nice to meet you. Bye, guys.